finally stabilized. Good morning, everybody. Let us know. Can us hear us? And let's get going. So already some intraday trade here. Let's see what we've done so far for the day. So I have two take profit accounts. I made $1,400 on those two take profit accounts. One is at 151, one is at 155 drawdown. So I'm already at 155 on those two. Then one of the funded account on Top Step, I did $358 intraday on the short side. The balance is at $1,400. So we're slowly grinding this funded account into above the buffer of 2,000 to take payouts. What else did we do? I think I had other accounts that did well on the short side. Yeah, I thought I had another one that did fairly well. One that is close to passing is 155. Oh yeah, this one I brought from the dead up $2,000. So we're back at 157. And let's go trade, guys. I need to open my, I think I'll swim account. Yeah, sorry for this morning. I completely forgot we had the stream, to tell you the truth. And then at the last minute, I reminded myself with Travis, shit, we have the stream. So this was a nice rebound here. I kind of miss it being distracted with the going live. See, this move like this, I kind of like that, like this, within the supply demand zone. We're back with the blue net buyers, net sellers. So I want all the lines here. I want to see the volume indicator here. That's a 2-minute chart. We need a 1-minute chart. And on this SPY, I'll go a 5-minute chart. SPY is still at 598. Is that what it is? Wow. 598 on the SPY. I think I'm going to wait for the initial balance. Or at least the open range balance before I do anything, Travis. But it looks like we're going towards 500 edge right there.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking at this morning was the 500, 525 resistance. So I'll definitely take a trade up there if we get there before 9:45.
I'm going to do boxes here. I'm going to do a box here, obviously, and here. And we'll only leave the major zones. I want to see what the cryptos are going to do as well. I'll be right back. I need to go pick up coffee. I'll be back for the open range 9:45.
Yeah, so I'm going to try a short here. It might be a little early. We're pushing really hard, but the tilt indicator on Top Step X is 78%.
Yeah, 520, 520, 525 now is the moment if they are coming. Yeah, I'll be right back. If you give a short, please give the exact entry, and so people follow you. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm short at 509 right now. 509 quarter to be exact. Like I said, it might be early on this. I was looking at the 500, 525 area for resistance. We do also have a red dash right here around 515, and then we have another one just above 550. So I was looking for this area, maybe a pop up to the 550, 560 area for a reversal back down. So see how this plays out, if they can hold above 500 for a little while, or if they're going to push back down.
Just came back, coffee. A little bit of a bid on AMD today, $1.25. It's not fantastic though. My coffee was brewing and it's a little cold. I need to let our guys, some of the guys just don't realize we're here again. I need my Zoom pen at one point, so let me open the Zoom for the guys. You're still on your short, dude?
I am.
Okay.
We do have some numbers coming out at 10, FYI. Jolts and durable goods, I believe.
Hopefully we don't crash. I have open a Zoom. I'm waiting for the 945 balance, which we are about to print.
Yeah, we have that already.
So where are my critical time frame indicator there?
Well, it won't print until a minute after, but it's established.
I don't see any of the lines. Here comes your division of third short from our calculator, guys. See how this area here becomes a block, and we want to see how that block around this 520 resistance is acting. I don't know what's going on. The critical indicator is not printing my lines this morning. Let me see. I see it here, but I don't see it on the other one. Strange. Yeah, we are playing in between the boxes. So the open range high has just been printed. It's 22. It's close to our division of third, which is 10. You took 975. My problem with taking shorts right there is going against the probability power indicator net buyers there, the trend. Also, the volume indicator is pretty strong.
Yeah, it's really strong. I just looked at that too, and above the zero line. So yeah, and no resistance above. So
I mean, you might go retest the 7 a.m., but it has already been done.
yeah, I did that already.
They've already done that trade. So that trade has already been done. Good morning, Patty. Let us know if you can hear us on YouTube, guys. Sorry, I completely forgot we had streamed this morning. I'm going to go slow, guys. I have $1,400 on 2 accounts there with take profit. You know, I'm going to go very slow. Plus, I don't like my win ratio this morning at 51%, guys. Those are 2 150K accounts. And I am working my top steps as well. On the option world, I'm looking at AMD. AMD is reporting, guys. Today, AMD is about to report. If AMD has a good quarter, it's going to fly like crazy. If it has a shitty quarter, it's going to 97, in which case I will buy more. So AMD is really a crapshoot today. Now, crypto-wise, what do I have? It's a shitty portfolio that doesn't go anywhere. I don't know if you can see, but I bought some cryptos. Here. I don't know if you guys can see the position. I have Ondo, Sui, Pepe, and I bought a little bit of Polygon. This has been a disaster. This money, this $7,000 portfolio there is going to go to probably in my personal future account or in the option accounts. See, it's too strong here. Did you get out? Did you get
Yeah,
put?
coming up. No, I'm adding at this 550.
Yeah, well, coming to close to the 6 p.m. So all of this could be interesting with the division of third, but I hate taking short with the blue net buyers there. But the SPY is not very strong, guys. Like, what's going on with the SPY? SPY is not really, really strong here. As a matter of fact, I'm like, what is the SPY doing this morning? Yeah, SPY is not super strong. Maybe that pop here, buy the dip, sell the rip. That rip at 46 was a good short then.
Yeah, it was a great spot to add.
Order filled.
Let's see what it does here. It needs to break the 498, Travis. Otherwise, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to continue pushing up.
Yeah, 500 may very well be a dip buy at this point.
This 498, look at the volume indicator, net buyer still holding. The power trend box is holding. Be careful here.
Order filled.
It's a retest of the open high range, Travis. It might go to the 6 p.m.
Order filled.
I'm trying a quick MNQ long. See if it goes anywhere. Here we go. I'm going to be super tight on it. I'm going to put a stop loss. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we hear you, Mark.
I'm going to trail it on the dome because it's a shitty trade anyway. I'm going to trail it on the dome here. I'm trailing it on the dome so that I keep profit no matter what. It's a profitable trade. Now we are 10 on it. And I'll get out soon here. I'm going to continue trailing it. We're at 49. I'm going to trail it again because we're 10 points now. And boom.
Order filled.
I'm out of it for 8 points. I'm going to continue grinding slowly. 10 points is really what I want because it's $200 on the NQs, but you saw the idea. I did a double trade, which is it breaks our division of third. It breaks also the open range high. They are both close to each other. Retest it, then I take it on the long side. And that's the trade. Everybody clear on YouTube? Give me a quick yes, no. That's the trade I just took. And I probably, if I had runner, I'd probably go higher than that. But give me a quick yes, no on YouTube. I'm trying to explain. YouTubers don't explain their trade. They don't explain their practices. They just take trades and they try to impress you, but they don't express shit. See, this trade keeps on going up and going up. So please on YouTube. All I'm asking is that you guys are interactive with us. Otherwise, we're back in the private group, guys. We're trying to help you guys and help as many people as possible. And me, I'm getting the feel with this group trading with Take Profit, because I don't like to copy my accounts usually, especially my live account. I do not copy my live account. I'm a little more aggressive usually on the evaluations. And so look here, one of the evaluation is a 155 already on this one, see, 155. So I'm copying those two and I'm drilling those two. This one is up $660 for the day. This one is, I don't know what it is now. This one is up $1,400 for the day, and now I copy both, so I don't have to break my head on those two. Then, of course, I have also my top step. I have my options. Life is good. I'll be right back. Oh, you guys want to see the options? Yeah, sure. On the options, I'm not making a lot of. Holy fuck, Palantir's 105 this morning, guys. Look at this. I'm up $2,000 today with Palantir. Look at this, Travis. Palantir 106. Oh my God, we sold 300 shares of Palantir at 72. Palantir probably had earnings of Palantir estimated at 5 cents. They blow up at 14 cents. They are going to go for a 3-to-1 split. The Palantir thing is going to happen. Holy shit, look at my Palantir. I sold 120 shares of Palantir on this account, and on the retirement account, we sold 298. We still have 600 shares of Palantir, so I'm not going to cry. That was a beautiful trade. It was a beautiful trade that I had on the long side. Now we might look for the short around that 65. I don't know. I don't see the short, to tell you the truth, yet. Yeah, we need to move the probability power calculator here. I don't see the short, to tell you the truth. Still pointing up. The indicators are still pointing up. Oh my God, Palantir.
Yep, I just took my stop there.
Look at Palantir. This is freaking unbelievable. Let me tell my wife she'll be here.
My stop was at 75. It went up to 75 3/4 and pulled off 15 points.
Okay, now they start selling a little bit that rip. We might have a little bit of a retracement here.
Order filled.
Ali, I'm taking it, but it's a dangerous trade. Also, I don't see my bracket. That's a problem here. I don't see brackets on this thing. Ooh, it's gripping against me. Yeah, see, I told you going against the volume indicators and the up arrow.
There's that report that just came out, the JOLTS report in durable goods.
Ooh.
Order filled.
I hope I'm not going to get penalized for that. I did not see that. So now Now might be an interesting pullback at least for 20 points.
Yeah, a little pop off that number up to the 600, that 6 p.m. line. Would be good.
I'm trying to not give my nightly profit, you know? That's really what I'm trying to not do here. That 6 p.m. line cross recross might be interesting. Is that what you're saying?
Yep, yeah, it is.
I cannot do brackets. That's the problem here. I cannot do brackets. I think I'm going to remove the TPT thing there. I'm going to go with my lower account. And I'm going to stick to micros. I'm taking a short. I'm taking a shot, but it's not showing up on the screen. I don't know why. Why it's not showing on the screen? Do you have an idea?
You logged in. Is it connected to the right account? TradingView?
Yeah. I decoupled the what do you call that? I decoupled the grouping. Anyway, I'm short, guys. And my short micros again is 82. So let's see. 82, probably going to stop here at 608 type of resistance. While going against the tools here, it's not a good thing. This higher highs, higher low net buyers here. Well, above the institute. My thing is, do we retest the 565, 542 area type of thing? Opening range is 525. 6 p.m. is 591. I'm looking at that 591 very carefully here, Travis, with a 608 resistance. Make sense?
Yep, that's where I'm short. My entry was at 589 on this.
Order filled. Order filled.
This was not good. I just got caught up on this one. This was not good. I just got caught on the wrong contract. I thought I was on MNQ and I was on NQ.
Yeah, that's not good.
This is not good when it happens to you. Net buyer still in control. I'm going to wait for 10:15 now. Adrian. Oh my God, Palantir is freaking amazing. God, I should have kept this Palantir. We sold 300 shares of Palantir times 30. We have left $10,000 on the platter so far on Palantir. Yeah, we are crushing it in the retirement account. Oh my God. Wow. Up 4,000 on one, 2,000 here. The retirement account in 24 hours with Palantir went up $12,000. I'll take that, Travis. Ay. Palantir has been really one of the best one, and I try to help you with it, guys. 7 video on Palantir. 7 video for you guys on Palantir. Bon, I have to work my magic here. I don't know, I screwed up that trade. I think we'll have a retracement trade in 550, 567, but that was not good.
Order filled.
Let me try one more time. You guys cannot really see the trade here. Don't like, what did I say, 565, 567. I didn't really wait it Adrian reversal though. Everything's strong. You have net buyers here. You have a staircase here. Like people are buying the dip instead of selling the rip. And I'm selling the rip, which is not good. Not doing a good trading today so far. And when it's like this, you know what I do? Then I go on top step.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I got stopped. I go on top step. Yeah. So now I reverse the profit into a loss of $600 into this account. Thank God I did not copy the account. See, I decoupled the account. So look what happened. I want to show everybody. Look what happened. That's why you don't want to copy. This account is still up 1,300. You see, Travis? Yes or no? By the way, I need to exit all of this. $1,300. But I screwed up this account now. And I lost 600. So this one I'm not going to trade for the rest of the day probably. Because this is the good account, 154,000, that I want to bring to the finish line. So this one is probably done for the day. So now the only one I can trade here on take profit on this particular prop firm is going to be the one I'm up $1,300. Does that make sense, the guys on YouTube? Thank God I decoupled the accounts to get my brackets back. Because when you group the accounts, you cannot use the bracket. I got to have my bracket. My brackets automates everything, especially when I scalp MQ. Okay, so now, ding, ding, we're back to the drawing board on one of the 2 accounts. One, at least I didn't blow up. See, Travis, why I don't like to copy accounts? Don't like to copy account. Especially, guys, I do not like to copy the funded account. See, because this thing keeps on going up and up and up. And if you fight it, and sometimes you will fight it, because the tools are clear. See the previous trade I took earlier on the retest like this of the opening range plus the division of third of day trading's power indicators. That was a fantastic trade. I wish I had a runner just stay on the long. You have blue cloud up here. You have up here. People are buying the rip. And when you try to do that short, like I've done here, it's no bueno. So I'll wait 5 minutes. And on my top step, I'm doing well on top step because I've not touched it. And that's the beauty of going from account to account. When you guys start copying everything, man, and you start fighting the trend like this is where trouble comes. And there's no different. You don't have an edge. The edge is to spread the risk and the trade in different accounts so that you wake up. You're like, oh shit, I'm fighting the trend. Oh, okay, I have another 10 accounts. So let me move on to the next account. And that's why I love prop firms, guys. Love prop firms. Don't have to like dig and dig and dig and dig in the same account. I'm going to have my split on Palantir, guys. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. This is what we wanted with my family. I think we are going to have that split on Palantir. Look at Palantir. Unbelievable. Up 22 points, Palantir. Unbelievable. If AMD comes up with good earnings, it's going to do the same as Palantir. You know, I am very tempted to buy the 100 call on AMD. Very, very tempted to buy the September call. Very tempted to buy this September call. 100 on AMD. Very, very tempted. Yeah, very tempted. So write it down. It's a huge gamble, but very tempted to buy the 100 call on AMD for September. Very tempted. We're back at 600. I should have bought some SPY call this morning. I don't know why I'm sleeping here. It might go to 602 now. I'll buy one or just one. 601 call on SPY. See if it goes. And I'm going to sandwich it with a 599. This market, let me see the retracement. I'm expecting a retracement here. 599.50, then I might buy a call for the day. A 599 call. Palantir, man. I mean, I sold 300 shares almost between my retirement and stuff, but you know what? I played the right way. I recouped my money, made 50%, and I have runners. And Travis is sleeping, watching TV there. I'll be right back. Travis, it's all yours. I think we might retest here, guys, the 6 p.m. We might do something like this. Ding, 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 or ding, ding, ding. Something like this. I don't know. What do you think, Travis?
I'm sorry, Mark. I was focused on something else. What were you saying?
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right. This is on the NASDAQ setting up as a really mini head and shoulders here on the 5-minute chart at 640.
Yeah, we are setting up for a pullback, but do it with the micros because everybody wants to buy this market. And I've already, I don't know even if I'm going to do this account anymore. Micros. And I'm going to put 3 micros. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'm short 3 micros. It's not connecting with you guys. I don't know why. I'm short 3 micros, guys, in the 30s. I don't know why it's not connecting. Not sure why. I might have to reconnect. Maybe when I decouple the grouping, it stopped the connection. Let me see. What's the problem here? I see what happened. E-group. Is that what it is? I don't know. Cannot figure it out. We'll figure it out later on, guys. I think we might pull back a little bit, but the retracement is going to be shallow. 88.63 right there. I'm doing the block for everybody. Right there on our tools. This is the block retracement right there. Okay. So be careful. It's not a lot. It's maybe 20, 30 points, right, Travis? Something like this.
I'm looking down at least to the institutional red dash, basically the 575 area. That's my first target.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I just added a micro short here at the 30s on top step. I hope I'm not wrong. We'll see.
Stop filled.
No, well, I was wrong. It stopped me. Micro short. Look for the lower high now or not. They are buying the rip. Look at the volume indicators pointing straight up.
Yeah, no relief in sight for that thing.
What did you say?
I said no relief in sight for the volume indicator.
Yeah, the volume indicator has like straight net buyers. So it's telling you the pullback today, you need to be very careful.
And we're making new highs.
It's very dangerous short. So short micros. I only short micros here. It's 10, 15, 10, 20. Let's see if there's a reversal coming up. We have higher highs, higher lows. People are buying the dip. And the next dip that I see is a retest of the 590. After buyers will come strong. I am on the micro shorts. Actually, I'm on 2 micro shorts, guys. Cost basis 48.75. Let's see what happens. It's a very dangerous short because it's, do we have something like this, right? But look at the volume indicator. Straight net buyers, like it does not want to bend.
Order filled. Order filled.
Here goes
Order filled.
here goes my brackets. Finally, finally, some winners on this shot. I'm looking for 590 maybe, flush to the red dash 570. If they do that, that'll be a nice one. Nice. I'm doing one on top step as well. Nice, 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 nice. Travis, you short too?
Yeah, I actually just switched accounts. I don't know exactly. Let me look real quick. Yeah, I made almost $1,000 profit on one 100K combine, so I switched to another 100K combine.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Re-entered, yeah.
So far, so good.
Right. Still looking for that 575 on my end, but you're right. 600 is obviously going to be major support initially.
This is close to my break-even point, man. I'm looking at the, here we are, back at 48. 48.75, that's where I am. This is the moment of truth, this lower high, guys. Is it going to go down to 590? Or it's going to rip again everybody's face. The volume indicator is trying to pull back a little bit as well, but it's not great. Those are the most difficult trades to do, guys. The easiest trade was to buy the 420, obviously. But let's see if it does something like this and something like that, where it goes back, and I would want to buy the SPY then after as well. AMD is reporting tonight. AMD is reporting tonight. So I don't know, man. It's strong. A lot of strength here going on, guys. What do you look at now, Travis?
Stop filled.
Oops, I got filled. See, told you 48 break-even points.
Yeah, not looking at anything new for me.
Well,
I'd like to short off of the 640 down to 575, but yeah, there's a lot of strength here. My if it makes a new high, breaks above 670, then I'll be out of this short.
they might try a little bit of a head and shoulder on the 1 minute if we can hold the lower high of 66. Otherwise, it's game over. Otherwise, it's new high. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I am short, and I'm adding to my shorts, people.
Yeah, I can add if it breaks 640.
What?
Sorry, I said I like an add if it breaks 640.
Yeah, but I need to trail carefully with the dome now. I need to carefully trail with the dome. Here we go. I'm going to buy one here in case it goes back. Let's see what we've got. We are going to move the stop loss now because we're profit.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it took one. I still have one.
Order filled.
And I'm taking profits. I'm going to push this one quickly. Yeah. This one is making $400 now. Let's see. This stupid shit keeps on coming. The $500 now. Let's see how long we can keep this one.
Yeah, see, guys, I got in. Mute this. Sorry, I got in way too early. I was just going based on my levels and my numbers, and tried shorten right when I got there. Obviously, that didn't work. So
I have to be careful. There's a bunch of spike holding at 18 here. So I have to be careful, but I'm still short. I'm still short the NQ here. I probably should start trailing it on the dome. I'm going to put a stop loss maybe at 38, 37, right there. So I protect my profit. Everybody sees on YouTube, using the dome, I protect my profit on the second.
Stop filled.
Boom, everything is out. I need to, and it took me at 200. I can always re-enter that trade, and I might re-enter, but I took this trade, and I reduced my loss, my $600 loss, guys. I reduced it to 176. And this one, up 360 now. So, well, yeah, it's a back and forth on this stuff. They are buying the dip big time, you know, they dip and they are holding extremely strong yet, Travis. You know, this low, but they are trying to sell this high, this high, this high.
Yeah, the IB high is going to be key now. That's established. So
yeah,
663 would be really key.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking at AMD options, guys. September 100 is going to be the gamble. If AMD has good earnings, it's going to do like an Palantir. It's going to like go like crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like SPY 599.50. See around the pullback here, and then back up. Something like this. So if SPY goes there, I want to buy here. That's where I want to buy it. When I look at the tools, the retracements are very shallow, Travis.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I mean, look, what did we do? We did 654 to 620. So look, I'm going to show you a trick. Where is my? So from here to here, and then we have to take here to here. And maybe we go towards 610 to 591. So I'm going to do target zone right there. And let's see if it works. But it's a very difficult trade to execute, Travis. Yes?
Oh yeah, no question. We don't have real clear convergence with all the indicators, so makes it much more difficult.
Yeah. And the opposite of that is this, look, volume indicator retraced slightly and then goes back up, and then we go to the top here. And we don't have resistance until 720, 791. Do you see the potential squeeze as well? It's better to buy back the pullback at this point. We did a decent short there, but it's too difficult, it's too dangerous.
Yeah, the better short setup is if it crosses and recrosses, crosses above and then recrosses back below the initial balance high. All right, so here's a break above the initial balance.
I'm not getting my SPY retracement, apparently. I wanted to buy one more call 0 DTE, and I'm not getting it. So look here. I mean, I have one 7 days out that I bought yesterday. Can you see the options, Travis?
Yeah, we see your toss.
So I think I bought this one yesterday. Yes, yesterday, 595 call when everybody was rebounding. So this one is good. It's making only 140 bucks today, but 192. Palantir obviously is the killer. It's jumping 20 points, so it adds $2,000 to my portfolio today. We are running at $11,000 on P&L open on the options and stocks. AMD is going to be key, man. If AMD has good earnings, we are going to fly. Otherwise, it's a 97 or 140. AMD is going to be 197 or 140. On the future side, didn't really do great since the open. I've done really, really well intranight, and I have given back some of the profit there on tech profit. So it's part of the game. You go from one to the other, to the other, to the other, to the other. And what about the stupid cryptos? Yeah, stupid cryptos are not doing anything. I bought some altcoins yesterday and this weekend as well. Yeah, it's a retest of the IB, so it looks like we are continuing higher and higher. And the tools told us that all morning. Net buyers here, net buyers here, net buyer, net buyer, net buyer, blue cloud. So all those shorts Well, not necessary. Instead of shorting the rip, you buy the dips here. You know, that's it. This is why also it's very important to set daily loss limit. I cannot be like more. This is the most important, and unfortunately, the other prop firms don't let you do that besides stop step. Like if I could, I would set a daily loss limit on take profit and everything. Maybe you can. I didn't even check. I should have asked it. You probably can actually. Some of them don't let you do it. Risk settings. It might be risk settings. So I'm going to put a risk settings, a daily loss limit here of $800. What do you use for a daily loss limit on your 150K account?
For 150K, I do 900.
Yeah, I'm putting 800 on this one. And the other one, I need to fight. I don't know if they work. I should ask at the TPT customer service. We are recrossing IBI. Are they going there for this retracement?
Order filled.
Don't understand why this muted thing keep on coming. Here, I have to be very careful here. I need to go on the dome and start tidying up. And again, I thought I had micros and I don't have micros. Story of my life this morning. And I have to be careful that this is another rip pullback. We're right on the IB line. Usually that's a long usually. See, usually here it's a long. And my entry was terrible at the bottom of the candle instead of shorting the rip. I need to tie it up here. Tied up.
Order filled.
Tied up. And I have two runners and I'm tidying up so I'm not losing money on the dome. I'm tidying up. Because that was a terrible short, to tell you the truth.
Stop filled.
That's fine. They took me at a profit. Let's see
Order
if it.
filled.
It was a great shot at the end. Well, something happened on the dome. Hold on.
Order filled.
No, I'm back positive. Yay, I'm back positive on this account by $29. Okay, what's happening here? What are you doing, Travis? You selling it now?
Yeah, I'm short 668 is my entry on this. I just have one runner now. One micro short from 668. we break 40 again, I'll probably add, but not if we break it on this bar, or if we break it and then come back and test 40 again. My worry is that it'll test below it and then bounce up to new highs, but if it flushes itself, I'll add again.
I rotated account and took a short in another account. I'm not trading the account that I was negative and back positive. That's the account that has 155,000. Yeah, your entry was better than mine. Mine was 58, and I felt it was terrible entry. I felt it was a terrible entry. Let's see what happens now. Well below the high BI, so that could be the move I was looking for. It's a dangerous move. It's hard to execute this kind of move like this. This is the move that goes like this and then like this. And that's according to the tools, guys. You know, could be lucky, could be even right there. See what I mean? But it has been strong all day, man. I don't hold my breath. Are you still in the short? I'm short on another account.
Yeah, I'm still in it. Like, I agree with you though. I'm not holding my breath. I'm not looking for anything major. If we break down, break the 640 and I add, I'll take my first profit at 600 and probably just still look for that 575. And 575 might be a stretch at this point.
This 54 seems to be the reshort area. If you guys missed that short, like 54, 56, right, Travis? Like a quick rip
Yeah.
to 56 week, 54 week, and a reshort for there. But let's see. If you want to add the 2-year size.
Upper 50s, 57 area. Okay, now I want to see if this break below 640 holds till the next candle. We have a minute and a half to the next 5-minute candle. If it's holding below that, then I'll add. All right, any retracement back towards 640, I'm adding. Right there. So I added 2 more short 3 micros. All right, adding a couple more here at the IB high.
I don't know what happened. My Tradovate is frozen. What the fuck? My Tradovate just froze. Let me, no bueno. Let me reopen. Can you hear me, Travis?
Yeah, Mark here.
I don't know what happened. My Tradovate just froze on me. Tradovate has an app now. You know that? You don't need to be on the browser. Maybe that's what I should be doing.
Okay, I am taking a couple up here from my add up at the IB high. Probably take another one off at 630 if we make it down there, and then I'll have 2 for 600 and 575 if we make it down there.
I got a good short at one point here to catch up a loss, but then this stuff froze on me. I think Firefox and Tradovate don't work well together. You know, I should also probably be out of Skype. It might conflict and crash with StreamYard. Guys, we'll do a giveaway after this trade before we leave for the day. We'll see. Right now I'm trying to get my Tradovate back. I had a short and I have no control. It's on the bracket. I want to buy maybe some SPY. There's the ODT. not 0 DT, I don't know, we'll see. 599, maybe 7 days out on the pullback. We called this pullback really good, you know. Paddy, don't do that trade on AMD. I have the money to sustain this trade. If I do it, I have not taken it yet. It's a September call 100 on AMD, and I think we have the time to get it back into the money with it, but don't do it. It's very risky trade.
Okay, there. I'm short 2 now.
My trade of it is not coming back, dude. I don't know if it's something with take profit or top step or trade of it. I mean, stupid. I mean, I'm short, so if I come back online, it should look better. But see, so the cool thing with the feed is we gave you the move before the move, the down and the up. But those are the hardest trade to execute. Hardest trade. The ones that goes against the trend, retrace for the day, and then all the buyers comes between 520 and 490, 460. Those are the hardest trades to do. Maybe I should bring my laptop. I don't know. It's loading, but it's not going. Maybe I should clear my cookie or something. Let me see.
Try opening it in Chrome incognito mode, see if it works there. Could also be your computer. Maybe you need to restart your computer.
Clear data. I'm clearing all the cookies. Sometimes it does it when you clear cookie. Here we go.
That's why you use incognito mode, because incognito mode does not have cookies.
And this is not even the, and now it's not even the, it's not even the layout I use usually. This is weird. Patience. And it lost all my Trade-O-Vate workspaces. What is this? I don't know. Very slow. I don't know. It did something funky on me. Let me see. A minute. See, I was short, and now I cannot get out. I should have gone upstairs to the thing. I'm still stuck. Let me go.
Do it in Chrome incognito, Mark.
Okay, let me go. I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back with the laptop. Laptop is on my desk. I don't know why. See, laptop is on the desk. I don't know why I cannot get into trading.We properly on the desktop now. We'll have to figure it out. So I missed a beautiful exit short. I was short and I missed a beautiful exit short, but it's fine. One of the account is unscratched, $29 up, so I'm still close to the 155 on this one. And the other one is losing 339 right now. But I suspect we'll be able to turn it around. I'm looking longs for pullback now, and that's it. Long pullback in the direction of the tools, direction of everything. So long we hold this IB high, which is what, 58, Travis?
63.
Yeah. So long we hold above that 63, I'm looking for longs to 720 and a long to 602 on the SPY. The retracement was not as deep as I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. So the $1 million question is, are they going to split Palantir? That would be wonderful. Split on Palantir, 341, 441, and bang, 2,500 shares. Let's say it comes back to $100 again, and then it's a $250,000 extra. That would be wonderful. So everybody above 63, we're looking for the longs. Below 50, 58, we are looking for a retracement to the 560, 590 buy. And that's it. So you want to make your move either here on the retracement and a re-entry long, or hold your long until, let me show you, we have the institutional zone at 781 and the edges at 720. So the longs could prevail if we stay, I'm thinking above the 58. I'm looking at SPX. Well, I'm not really able to see SPX. Let me put my options down. It's hard to see everything this one. 632 on SPX. So long we hold 625 SPX, well, should be fine. We are back below the IB again. And Travis, you've been very calm, my friend.
Yep, focused.
Yeah. Below the IB high again, but we are above the IB high on SPY. I'm looking also at SPX. So long we hold 25, we should be good. Right. I need some water. I don't know why I got this disconnection with TPT there. And it's easier to see on my trader. But anyway, I am on my laptop. I'm looking for long pullback here. If we stay above that 63, we have a chance of 720, 780. Otherwise, well, looking back at a retracement to 570. Yeah, 570. I cannot, with my laptop, it's auto. Here's the block from the edge
Yeah,
of
575. I was looking at.
yeah, 593 to 570. I mean, we have to be careful that they form a little bit of a head and shoulder there. We need to be careful of that. But the volume indicator, everything is still pretty strong on the upside. You know, obviously the easier trade is pullback buy, but you got to be careful of that shoulder now. What do you think, Travis?
Same old, same old. I'm short below the IB high, and I'm hoping for a retracement back to 600 or below. I don't know if we'll get that, but yeah, I'm still on my short.
Yeah, I don't like the. I'm starting to really not like the shorts, even though
It's ranging around the IB high.
Yeah,
Just kind of chopping around it right now.
yeah. I mean, that's what I wanted. I wanted SPY to go back to 599.5 and power from there. But look, notice SPY, it keeps on going. SPY keeps on going up. SPX is going up. So this is the moment of truth right there for the. It's the moment of truth right there for the short on the Nasdaq, because the other ones are going up. SPY, SPX right now. What are the cryptos doing? You know, I passed my gym time. It's a beautiful day here, guys. I'm going to wrap it up soon. With the technical difficulties on
Bitcoin's almost back to 100,000.
What did you say?
Bitcoin 99.7.
Yeah, the altcoins are all doing pretty well. Okay, here's the potential head and shoulder, and hopefully we can have a decent retracement then to the target and back up. SPY is very strong because I can see my call that I bought yesterday on SPY keeps on going up here. But let's see what happens. I don't know why it keeps on doing the unmute feed.
That pop-up's not a YouTube pop-up. That's a Zoom pop-up. So you want to do the without, don't use audio.
If you guys are short, be very careful on your size short because this thing could zip up at any time. SPY is strong, SPX is strong. Be very, 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 very careful of your shorts. That's all I can tell you. Yeah, we've seen it yesterday. They zoom back up very, 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 very fast. You know, very, very, very fast. What's your entry short?
I'm at 61, 61 quarter.
Well, but be careful.
Yeah, it's just I'm just runners at this point. I'm up 1,300 on the day, and I'm only risking $100 on this trade. So and that's 1,300 on this combine. I did get hit my DLL earlier on my 50K XFA 400 loss for the day. Thanks, Patty. Yeah, I'd rather have the gains in my XFA than my combine, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, this is why I trade the XFA last. I trade the combine first and the XFA is last. Yeah, they might produce a 590 opportunity before lunch. We'll see.
Okay, I was short 3. I just took one here in case it holds 640.
Well, it would be nice to have a decent flush again towards the 20, right? I like to see this box. Let's see the shoulder from here to here. We could bring it here and see. It's back towards the 20 again, which is like the range that has been on all morning. You got to be very, very careful because the buyers are right there behind the bushes. So you got to expect the buyer at 490, 520, very, very strong. So be very, very careful. Like our double red dash institutional zones is at 570. You have the 590 6 p.m. open. You got to be very, very careful, even if they retrace to that 490, 590. There is going to be a snapback buying going on here. You can see it on the tools. The tools are just waiting to snap back towards the 720. So you got to be very, very careful. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 5 minutes. I need to do I'll refill. Yeah, this is entering the time that I don't like to trade. The great trade this morning, I got the intranight very well on a lot of accounts. And obviously the trade was the 420 long trade just before we started the stream. So we got to start the stream at 8:30 a.m. so we don't get distracted by all the technical crap, or 8 a.m. and be tighter the way we start the stream, guys, on Tuesday. Tuesday, we trade all day with you guys live. Trading Tuesday, Wealth Wednesday. So tomorrow, somewhere around 2:30, 2 p.m., we'll be there. 2:30, 2 p.m. on Thursday, same, but on the power indicator for the tools Thursdays. And Friday, if we are around and we want to come, we might do a YouTube again around the 8 a.m. Area. Okay, if we are not in the private group and if I am around. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going for a break.
Re-adding one here at the retest of the IB high. We might actually break above it at this point and maybe make a new high. But I'll do this rotation from IB high to 640, that 20-point move. I'll keep doing that as long as it keeps giving it to me.
Be careful of the 65. Above 65, you should really be getting out. There's a lot of strength on SPY and SPX. I keep on telling you that. Be careful. That's the key. 65 NQ, Travis. 65 and 37 SPX. The tools are clear. It's up, and I'm starting to take longs here. I have longs, guys. I have longs. Do you see my long on the screen, Travis?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. So now I need to be able to use this. I am on my laptop and it shows on my desktop. This is the craziest shit. So now I'm going to get out of one. I got out of one, and I'm going to move the stop loss.
Yeah, I am out of my shorts, by the way. Got stepped out on that.
Yeah, well, I tried to tell you. Okay, I changed the stop. I'm trailing my stop on this long. And let's try to keep it a little bit more this time. I have the target exactly where I want it at the top of the calculator, by the way. I come back to my stop. I have a stop that is in profit. No, why I didn't check the profit stop. Took out of one and he did not. It's crazy. I am on my laptop and it's trading here. I'm out. I'm going to re-enter that thing.
Well, it'll do that if the accounts are connected.
What?
You know, if you're logged in, then it doesn't matter where you're logged in, whether you're logged in on your laptop or your desktop, it's going to show it.
I understand. I'm back long, but the problem is I don't even have bracket. It's a shit show with my tech this morning. Let me go to the dome. And I am long, so I'm going to put a stop loss. Ugh, I wanted to go at profit. Okay. I'm putting a stop loss right above. Boom. It took me. I'm not letting it breathe enough here. Let's do it again. Target 80 for quick pop of 10. Maybe here. 85. It's not easy for me to trade here. I am on my laptop, which is connected to the desktop. It's weird. It's very weird. Yeah, it's going to attack me here. We're approaching the top of the SPY as well. You see that, Travis? On the box?
Yeah, I'm not looking at that.
Mm.
Oh, you mean on your screen?
Yeah, 37 has been reached on SPX2. That was I probably need to get out of here. I'm thinking we're pulling back, but this is those entries, the IB retest, you know.
Well, no, it's just rotating around IB high, just creating a distribution around here. So could still go either way, but like you're saying, volume indicator and trend box. What's wrong?
A lot of nothing today for me. It's like this account is at $46 for the day. It's a lot of nothing. I'm still at 154,895 on this TPT account. It's a lot of freaking nothing. I think we're going to go up, but maybe I should switch to MNQ since I have all this technical bullshit going on. Yeah, I had the right trade there. It's hard to hold with the. So I'm going to put the limit here and the stop loss. Right there. And I'm just going to let it do its thing. You know, just going to let it do its thing. Plus, truthfully, I don't like to chase the top of the box, and now I'm chasing the top of the box. See, guys, all of this right there is the top of a box, and your probability of making money is 33%, and the probability of losing money is 66%. So we're really chasing the top of a box. It's not really smart. That's why I switched to MNQs. And because, look, it's crazy. Look, Travis, I am on the laptop, and it connects to the stream on the desktop. Isn't it weird? the weirdest stuff.
It's not weird, Mark. That's what I'm saying. If they're both logged in with the same information, then it's going to show up on both devices.
Yeah, it's weird. Well, that's 15 points, 10 points there on MNQ, 12 points, 40, 20 points. Should have taken the NQs. That's always the problem. Let's see, I was on the NQs, but then I'm chasing the top of the last box, and I don't like that. Chasing the last box, the top of the last box, like the probability are not really on my side. 26 points. We're going to start taking some profit, right, Travis? We're going to reduce this thing here. Boom. I took 2. And I am long 3. I'll take 1 more at 70. I'm trailing it on the dome here, so it's a little hard. Here we go. Here we go. Now we are 20 something points on it. One more trail here, very close. I'm trailing 1. So then we'll have 2 runners. I'm trailing 1, very close to the current price. It's 30 something points now. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 30 something points now. So 40 points now. So I'm going to manage it on the dome. Okay, guys. I'm going to take 1 here. Long 2. I took 1 at this 20-point mark. Long 2. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you don't really want to keep this stuff for too long. 20 points, you know, those rip of 21s before lunch are pretty good usually. Now I need to clean up my bracket. And I need to put 2 in the dome. My entry is 71, so we don't want to be below the entry, no matter what. Protect the profit. So we'll put it at 72, I suppose. 71, 75. And that's it, boom. So wherever I enter, I have my stop now on the runners. Those are runners so that I can let it breathe. To the target of 720 maybe. Move the stop loss a little bit, 30 something points. Everybody sees online, give me a quick yes, no. I wish those were NQs really, but I'll finish the deposit finally on this account. I'm back at $155,000 on TPT there. Guys, let me know if you see, because I want to go play golf. It's a beautiful day. I want to go play golf today. I want to get the hell out and enjoy the day. So this is my trade. the tools have been beautiful the entire time. We just were fighting. Instead of buying the dip, we were selling the rip on a up day with blue cloud, net buyer, power trend. Look, we're at 45 points, 45 points now, long on these MNQs, those two MNQ runners. I just don't know why this stuff has done what it did on my laptop, but it is what it is. And I never was able to buy more SPY like I wanted to. It never went back at 99.5. Oh well, c'est la vie. Yeah, never got my entry on SPY. Hey, I made $2,000 with Palantir, so I'll take it. Palantir up 20 points today is amazing. Yeah, I kind of did the right move. I switched to MNQ because I was not in the zone today with the computer, the this, the that, starting the stream. But the indicators were like perfectly on point, man. That's why I was telling Travis, man, be careful that 63, 64. I'll slap your face. And it did, you know. It's very hard to short IBI with the tools pointing up.
Yeah.
And the volume indicator going up all day, dude. Net buyer. Look, I have to be careful not dropping my laptop. But look at this. Look at the volume indicator all day. Look at this. Up. It's very hard to do that. You know, it stopped me, by the way. That stopped. Guys, I think I am done for today.
Yeah, I'm done too, Mark.
We might do a giveaway because, yeah, it's if you look outside, this is like Google the weather in Atlanta. It's golf time. So we might do a giveaway before we leave because it was a little rough of the morning. If you guys put the word me on the chat, well, pick a winner for one of the tools. Me. What tool can we give? The probability power trend box. It's been very, very accurate again today. Like,
yeah,
net buyers everywhere. If you want one, say me, enter it. We can do a quick giveaway. Enter the word me. We are going to call it a day. I mean, look, the consolidation price for me today is. This is up 2,500, 11,000. Thank you, Palantir, because that's the real money stuff. It's not the monopoly prop firm accounts, you know. Because to me, the prop firms, until you get paid, it's all monopoly, you know. It's all sim stuff. I repeat, unless you get paid, and when you get paid, and as you build up to have them paid, it's all monopoly. You know, you just train to be better at what you do. So let's see if I can re-have my trading.We account coming in here. It was a real day, this trading.We thing, man. And when I saw it showing up on the screen, I was like, what the fuck? It was funny, man. So, you know what? At the end of the day, it was a bunch of fuck nothing. Excuse my French. Look, I am still close to the 155,000 level. I lost $3 the entire morning. I had a really Not a good streak today. 53% win ratio. I didn't lose. I didn't make. It was a waste of time. But this account, slowly but surely, we are going to bring this account and some top steps to the 159. So we get funded on those as well. One step at a time. So, and like I say, consolidation. Well, AMD is coming tonight. If we can have a pop on AMD, that would be awesome. Because I have some AMD shares I have been accumulating for the past 2 weeks. If AMD drop again, I'll buy more AMDs. Palantir, I hope we'll get a split. So we still have 600 shares across the retirement account and this account. So that would be great if we get a split for the next 2 years. That would provide a lot of wealth. Because my thinking on Palantir is if I can have this 600 shares, the 500 on the retirement account plus this account, and they do a 3-to-1 split, now we have 1,800. Now, if they do a 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 split, imagine we would have 3,000 shares. And imagine it goes back to 100,000 in the next 2 to 3 years, then it's 300K. That's how you make the true wealth and the tax-deferred, tax-free wealth. I invested $15,000 on Palantir, and I took all our money back, right, from the 500K account, and now it's what? 500 shares times 100. There's still 50K. After I took my initial investment, 22K out, we still have 50K. So I'm at 72K on Palantir minus my cost basis. So I'm at almost $60,000 profit on Palantir Plus. So it's awesome. It's wonderful. So let's do a giveaway. So what are we giving away? The powertrain box then?
Yeah, Turnbox is good.
The powertrain, everything was very helpful today, I'll tell you. Why don't we give you the power volume indicator here, local morning? Kept on like flying all morning. Look at this. Net buyer since 9:30. Non-stop. See? This one. Don't go against the volume indicator. Those are the net buyers as well. We're going to give the power volume indicator. So if you put the word me, let's go. Let's do a stream giveaway. And we're going to collect. And let's see who wins. I thought it was Patty. It's Steve Morrill.
Steve, congrats.
I think Steve won something last week.
Yeah, I recognize that too.
That's fine.
I don't have him listed though, so he didn't.
Steve is on the Skull group. Is Steve around still for the morning? Steve, give us if you're around, you'll collect. If you're not around, you're not collecting. We'll do another drawing for everyone. Massa Maturo. Is Massa around? Massa, let us know if you are around, because I got to go.
Yeah, he was just here a few minutes ago, so I'm pretty sure he's still here.
See, the guys come in and come out. They pull their thing for the drawing, and they don't even know if they won. Massa Maturo, are you around? Once. I'll call you 3 times. You don't answer, you lost it. Powertrain box, Massa Maturo. Once.
Give him a second. There is a delay, Mark.
Massa Maturo twice. Massa Maturo 3 times. Well, Massa, if you come in the next stream, let us know, and you'll send us an email with 3-digit code. Steve 1, Massa 1 on 2/4/2024. Yeah, not the best trading. Oh wow, look, big retracement there. See what I mean? Big retracement. Back.
There's Masa in the chat there. All right, Masa. So what you need to do, Mark is going to put the email address in the chat for me, and you need to send an email to contact@powerindicators.com with your TradingView ID, so that we can give the tools to you, and then also include a 3-digit code that you make up, so that we can verify that it's you sending your TradingView ID. So once Mark puts that in the chat, go ahead and do that now, and we can confirm you and verify you.
Yeah. So send email at contact@powerindicators.com plus your TradingView ID plus 3-digit code or whatever. Okay. Then when we confirm that with you, Massa will give you access to one of our tools, which is the Power Trend Box. Okay. And then we're back into the IB. We rejected a little bit the top of the SPY box from the power indicator there. I told you to be careful on this. I am done. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to play golf. Travis, to me, today, the prop firms were not anything significant. I did really a waste of time. But I am playing the real money accounts here with $2,400 open between AMD SPY options here, my 7-day option that I bought yesterday when the world was falling. I knew to buy the 595 call. We have AMD calls tonight. We have a nice pop on Palantir, and we have $11,700 running. Now, this account are the swing accounts for the year that I'm going to use, smaller swing accounts, plus the retirement account. And I have my private accounts, and I have this small altcoin that I enter that is not doing anything. I don't know. I am very close to take my money from the altcoin, Travis, and put them in my futures account, like my own money, but I don't want to do that because at the same time, at the same token, that $7,000 could pay for a bunch of evals for the entire year, you know. And as we know, I'll give you an idea, guys. If you play your card properly, for every dollar you spend in eval, if you know what you're doing and you're prepared, over time, you should get back $3 back in payout. That is stage one. If you are good on the sim and you have a proper strategy with proper tool and community. Stage two, you prove that you pass and pay yourself on top step 50K account minimum. And stage three, you start scaling across different prop firms like I'm doing with the 150K accounts. But if you how do you say that? You step a stage. What do you say? If you pass a
skip,
if you skip a stage, you screw it. Stage one is the most important, and most traders don't want to be on the sim for 2, 3 months, 6 months. And if you were to do that, you would save yourself so much money, guys.
No question there. I completely agree with that, because I'm one of the people that did skip that only because at the time we came up with that after the fact. But I was struggling, and I should have stopped and gone back to step one, and I never did that, and I struggled for years until I was able to get it. So you definitely want to figure this stuff out in the sim, and the longer you stay on it, the better you're going to be.
Yeah, because you'll be, oh, Why do I have a bunch of brackets? See again, Travis? Bracket open somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Cancel orders.
Yep. Here we go. So, and that's good. I just realized that I was going to play golf and a bunch of orders would have triggered. And this just proved the point. It takes time to be a master at Trade of your platform, of your dome, of your entry, exit. I still struggle sometimes leaving order, having opposite orders. This morning, I think I wanted to be on MNQ. I am on NQ. I mean, this stuff still happens, even after 2 years, 3 years, it still happens, and inevitably you will do those mistakes. It's part of the journey, guys. We love you guys. Sorry for the feed. It was a little bit chaotic this morning. I think we should start the feed around 8 a.m. Be structures on Tuesdays. If I want to do one on Fridays as well, being structured. And otherwise, 2:30 p.m. Wednesday tomorrow, we'll recap, we'll do the power hour, whatever it is. Usually I like Wealth Wednesdays, like options, stocks, see what happened with AMD earnings. Thursdays, it's Tool Thursdays, so we are on the Power Indicator stream, okay? And tomorrow morning, we will be in the private group. Thursday morning, we will be in the private group, and then we'll see what happened Friday, okay? Look who is back, Mr. Steve.
Yeah, Steve Massa, make sure you send your emails to contact@powerindicators.com. TradingView ID, get your
those guys that hop in and out of rooms. Okay. Anyway, you won the Power Trend Box, my friend. So I know you are on call, and I know you won one last week. So send us your email, and you are good for 2 months, 8 weeks of the Power Trend Box. I got to go, guys. It's golf time, and later on, gym time. So you take care, Travis. I thought it was what we tried to do this morning is the hardest thing to do, man. Hardest thing to do.
Yeah, and that's why we paid for it.
Yeah, what you'd want to do is this: 7 a.m. Age of the calculator, power indicator, reach at 21.4, and that's the long. And then you're done for the day. So by 10:15, done. We go play golf. You take care, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone.